Good morning, this is Dave with Amity Lock and Safe. So let's go over programming a Sargent Greenleaf 6120. It's your standard Sargent Greenleaf from years. So first thing you always want to do is make sure the door is open, never closed. I always want to verify the old number first. You can see here it is. And it works. Turn it back to the lock position. Wait for the cycle. There you go. So to program, it's S&G Sargent Greenleaf, which is 7-4. So you're going to type 7-4 asterisk. Then you're going to type the existing number 6873666 pound. Then 1 asterisk. Now the new number, and for this purpose we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. That should be programmed. Verify it. And it cycles and works. Before I ever close a door, I like to test it 3 times. And it's working. One more time, then we can close and lock the door. And this safe is going to go for sale in our office. So we're ready for sale. We leave all of our safes set to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so they're easy to demo. Thanks for watching.